What'd you just say? You actually put that in your mouth? Is that what you just said?
I said I don't know if I can put that in my mouth.
Oh. It tastes like poo. I'm just joking. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah. Potty mouth. I'm done.